In this video, we are going to discuss on how you can invite creators to promote your products in TikTok Shop. In order to do this, you first need to head over right here into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. So our goal for this right now is to leverage influencers to sell your products for you, and in turn, you will give them commission. You can set the commission from there as well if you want to. Now, from this, you can head over and gain more sales because your products will reach more people that are on the influencers network. This has been a proven method previously used by big companies, but it's now manageable or usable by small business owners such as you. So for this case, you first need to head over right here into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. So this is the actual homepage for you as a seller. Onto this case, head over and click onto this left sidebar and you should be able to find in here these options. Onto this case, head over and click on affiliate. Clicking on that will input you into the affiliate landing page. From in there, you can find right here this. Here is our TikTok Shop affiliate. On this case, you can head over and click onto this Go to Affiliate Center Home. Since this page only shows you items that need attention, such as sample requests, creator messages, samples not enabled, as well as recommended products. For this case, let's head over to Affiliate Center Home since it will give you a much rather bigger options to manage this. Once you're on the affiliate center, you can see right here your homepage. From this case, you see the overview of your affiliate sales recently updated from 2 days earlier. So here you can see average daily products sold, refunds, affiliate attributed items sold, affiliate attributed GMB, as well as estimated commission that you will need to pay for your affiliates. You can also see right here the items that need your attention. So earlier we can only see this part, but since we opened the affiliate center, we can now see this part as well as everything that we have right here. So from in there, you can see on the home page all of the overviews only. So for this case, let's head over right here into our collaboration tab and let's see them one by one. On your collaboration tab, you can see these options right here. You can see right here that you can drive sales by offering samples to your affiliates. So you need to turn on refundable samples for all your open collaboration projects. You can turn it on right now or later. In this case, let's head over and turn it on. As you can see, your refundable samples has been turned on for all your products. Head over and click on Done. Now on the open collaboration system, you can see right here the creator application. You can see all of the creators who wants to collaborate with you as well as those who has not been added. You can also see right here all of the added products that you can find right here. You can find the estimated commission depending on the commission rate that you have set right here. So you can set your commission depending on how you want it to be as well as edit it right here. On this case, we have 10% commission and the product price is around 499 to 569, which yields around 49.90 to 56.90 for the commission. Now let's head over right here to our target collaboration. Now into this part, you can get your favorite creators to promote your product. You can do so by finding creators you want to collaborate with, sending them an invitation, and tracking the progress to see what and who is working for you. Click on this get started option, and then after that you can see in here create invitation for those names until when it's valid, contact information for that Viber as well as their username right here. So you can find right here all of those as well as choose products that you want, as well as offer up free samples and creators that you want added. So we can also find creators by clicking onto this Discover Creators tab. From in there, you can see all of the creators such as their GMVs, products sold, average video views, and likes. You can see their names as well as All of their categories usually menswear. This user has used menswear. This user is for baby and maternity. This one is for beauty and personal care. So if you're actually leaning towards menswear, you can hire or invite this particular affiliate, and you can see their average video views from here as well. So you can head over and click on this invite in order to invite them, or click onto this favorite icon in order to save them and add them to manage creators. You can also view the rankings using this part as well. Now let's click on this manage creators. From in there, you can batch tag creators. You can see right here all the products they have in showcase, samples, videos, and likes. You can search by creator name, tag, source, and likes. Now let's work with partners. Let's click onto this option right here. And once you have done that, you can see right here the revenues and agencies, such as their product campaigns, content and creators, as well as top 20 products that you have, top 20 campaigns. And you can also see right here seller initiated campaigns, agency initiated campaigns, and likes. Now let's head over right here into your sample requests. To this part, you can see right here all of the products that you have offered free samples. You can also offer a refundable sample if you want, and also remind creators to post products that you have. Creators can request a sample again 30 days after rejection or immediately after initial request expires. You can offer them the product or reject them according to their liking depending on it. You can see review, ready to ship, ship, in progress, completed, and cancelled sample requests for these particular options. You can also automate it by clicking on this automation so you can streamline your sample reviews and shipping for this one part as well. So it actually depends on you and how you want it to be under this part as well. Now let's head over right here into your analytics. Now, under your Analytics tab, you can see everything such as the performance, samples itself, creator outreach, products, creators, and all of videos. For this performance, you can find the key metrics and you can set the durations for this one as well. We have set it for the last 7 days. You can set it for the last month, last year, or all time. Now you can also read here the affiliate attributed GMP breakdown. You can see right here the data for collaboration, content type, as well as product category. Now as per the details, you can also find them right here under the creators, products, videos, and live streams and likes. You can find them right here if you want to. Now you can also head over to right here to your affiliate orders and see the affiliate creator, partners, and the likes and export the orders that you want to export. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you with everything you need. Thanks so much for watching.